Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to continue a Linux terminal session that you may already have running. This is helpful in situations where you run an application and want to view its logging in the terminal from another computer, or if you just want to continue from where you left off. So let me show you how to do this. First off, you will need to install tmux on your Linux distribution. Currently, I'm using Lubuntu here, and to install tmux here, I will open up a terminal and type sudo apt install tmux. The process is the same with Ubuntu too. So I ran the command, but I already have it installed. The next step is to run a new terminal session in tmux. And you do that by typing tmux new-s and the name of your session. I'm going to name this session Comfy UI. And here I am in a new terminal session that's running under tmux. Now to leave this session and also keep it running in the background, on your keyboard you hit Ctrl B and then D. This will detach you from the session, but it will still keep running in the background. We can get a list of tmux sessions that are currently running by typing tmux ls. And here we can see my Comfy UI session. Now to log in and continue using this Comfy UI session, I type tmux a-t and the name of the session, which is Comfy UI. And here I am where I left off on the Comfy UI session. Now to terminate this session, I just type exit. If I type tmux ls, then there are no tmux sessions running anymore. Now let me show you an example on how I use tmux. This is going to involve me running an AI tool from a terminal session, which gives me some information in the terminal. I want to see this information from another computer. So let me start this real use example. I'll clear this session. Let me start a new tmux session by typing tmux new/s, and I'll name my session Comfy UI. Okay, the new session is running. Now I'm going to run the AI tool called Comfy UI in this session. Running the tool here gives me all sorts of useful information while AI models are running. So I'm going to run an AI task on the tool so we can see the logging process. So I started an AI task, and what I want to do now is access this Comfy UI session I created from another computer so I can monitor the progress of this running task. I can choose to detach my session here, but I do not want to do that. I want to leave this terminal open in this computer. And I want to access the session from another computer so I do not have to log into this one to check up on the status of this task. So I'll head on over to my MacBook now. So now I'm on my Mac, and this is a terminal that I have opened. And I'm going to use this terminal to first connect to my other computer that's running the AI tool. Now I'm logged into the Linux computer that's running the AI task, and the next step is to log into the Comfy UI tmux session to check up on the task I started. So I'll type tmux a-t, the name of the session, which is Comfy UI. And here we go. I can now see the progress of the AI tool right from my Mac. No need to head over to my Linux computer to check on it. So that is a way of continuing a terminal session in Linux. Let me know what you think of this tip in the description. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.